Hey there kiddos, welcome back to Chalk It Up Kids. I'm Miss Rakhee. On Thursday, I read a book. Sometimes it happens you have to stay home. So I thought it would be fun to share some activities with you that you could do while you stay at home. These DIY activities are super fun and super easy. All right kiddos, are you ready to chalk it up? Okay kiddos, the first activity that we will do is called flower pounding. This is a Japanese style of creating an art piece. So for this, you need just a blank piece of white paper. Any size you want is just fine. And you need some pretty colored flowers. I went on my walk and got some beautiful colored flowers. The brighter the flowers, the more the ink will come out when you start pounding it. So, and you need a rolling pin, or even if you have a baby hammer at home, that would work just fine. I had a rolling pin. So, are you ready to begin? Okay, lay the flowers on your piece of paper any way you want, but make sure the color side is all the way down on your piece of paper and make any design you want with your flowers. Okay then, I think I am ready with my design. And you're going to take a blank piece of cookie cutter sheet and lay it right on top. Do you see that? Okay, and then we're going to start pounding it. And pounding just means tapping it very lightly on top of the flowers. Okay, once you've finished pounding your flowers and you like the way it all looks, okay, I'm gonna pick up this paper so you can see what happened right below. Ooh, they look all smushed up. You have pounded your flowers. Now very carefully, I want you to lift up those flowers and leaves and petals. Do you see all those beautiful colors you were able to pound out of these beautiful flowers you had picked? The pink left a purple color. This will now look really, really pretty once you hang it up. All right, kiddos, I hope you had fun pounding your flowers. I took my piece of paper and put it inside a frame. It looks gorgeous. I'm gonna hang this up. So go ahead and hang your art piece up, and are you ready to join me for the next activity? All right, kiddos, this next activity is really fun because it's a fruit kebab. You get to make a fruit kebab with your favorite fruits. And you need a skewer that you can put your fruit kebab on. For this activity, I have some grapes, I have some pineapple, and I have some mangoes that I have cut into tiny squares. Please have a parent help you with all these snacks and pick your own favorite snacks. Are you ready to begin? I'm ready to make my fruit kebabs. I will first start with my pineapple. You can start with any fruit that you want. I'm gonna then put my grape on. I might even make a pattern. So pineapple, grape, mango. What comes next? You're right. Pineapple, grape, mango. Ooh, yummy. I have an extra piece here. What comes next? Hey kiddos, I hope you have fun making your own fruit kebabs. I'm going to enjoy this while I stay at home. I hope you enjoy this while you stay at home. All right, kiddos, I will see you later on Chalk It Up Kids. Bye, kiddos. For more information about these activities, go ahead and click on the description below. Want more videos? Make sure you subscribe to Chalk It Up Kids.